Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can join the action figure or starter pack trend on TikTok. So for that you need a template from CapCut. So first go to your app store or play store and download this app called CapCut. And once you have this app, what you can do, let me go to my profile. Okay, go to my profile, then here you will see a playlist called CapCut template. Just tap there. Okay, so here the first one, action figure, just tap there. Okay, this is the video. Here on the video, on the bottom left corner of the video, you will see this template, CapCut, try this template. You just have to tap there. Okay, you will be directed to this page. Now here, tap on use template in. Okay, you will be directed to this page in CapCut. Now tap on use template. Okay, now you need to browse the picture from your camera roll. So let's go with okay, and done. If you like the creation, you can hit the export button and you can share it to your TikTok. If you don't like, you can create another. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can join this starter pack or action figure trend on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.